Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer ownerships of your Google Sheets. In the last two videos, I showed you how to share a sheet. So you're going to want to make sure that you have access to whatever sheet that you are transferring ownership to. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the right-hand corner where the little world and the word share is. We're going to click on that. Here you'll see who has access to this sheet. So my business account, which is getshitdone@gmail.com, does have access to this document. So they need to have access in any format. So we'll click on the drop down menu. You can change their status to just being a viewer, a commenter, editor, transferring ownership, or remove access. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to transfer ownership. So once we do that, this little message will pop up and it will let you know that you're still the owner of this document until you have the person that is accepting ownership accepts the invitation. So we're just going to send the invitation. And for now, it's just going to say pending owner until it's time for them to be able to accept it. And then, so I'm just going to click done here. And if you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find them to be helpful too. Bye.